Assalamualaikum, and today we will learn about plant propagation. Plant propagation is the reproduction of plant through diverse techniques, including sexual and asexual method. Sexual propagation involves seeds, preserving genetic diversity, while asexual method like cutting or grafting replicate specific traits. This process enables efficient production of plants with desirable characteristics, contributing to agriculture, forestry, and ornamental horticulture. Knowledge of propagation technique is crucial for sustainable plant cultivation and biodiversity conservation. Next, I will explain about asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Plants have two ways of making more plants. Sexual reproduction uses seed combining genes from two parents for diversity. Asexual reproduction, on the other hand, creates new plants without mixing genes, resulting in offspring identical to the parents. Both methods play a crucial role in plant survival, adaptation, and population growth. Next, I will explain to you about tissue culture. Tissue culture is a technique where plant cells, tissues, or organs are grown in a controlled environment. Starting from a small plant part, like a leaf or stem, placed in a nutrient-rich medium, it allows for the development of a whole plant. This method enables mass production of identical plants, crucial for agriculture, horticulture, and preserving rare or endangered species. That have a lot of type for tissue culture, such as seed culture, embryo culture, meristem culture, bud culture, callus culture, cell suspension culture, enter culture or ovary culture, and protoplast culture. This one of the example for tissue culture. They have a lot of advantages and disadvantages for asexual reproduction. First advantages is efficiency. Asexual reproduction is faster as it does not involve the complexities of mating or producing. Second, genetic uniformity. Offspring are genetically identical to the parent, preserving desirable traits. And last, for advantages is energy conservation. No energy is spent on finding mates or producing seeds. Directly, resources solely lie to grow and survive. Next, for disadvantages of asexual reproduction. First, limited genetic diversity. Lack of genetic variation make population vulnerable to disease or environmental changes. Second, environmental dependence. Asexual reproduction might not be optimal in changing environment, limiting adaptability. Last, accumulation of mutation. Over time, accumulated mutation can lead to less robust offspring. Next, we continue with the project. To start our project, we must prepare the soil and the small pot. Day 1, plant Busida. Day 1 to plant Mangifera. After a few days, transfer the Mangifera to the small pot.
you.